have a party, just listening to music like we used to do. I get close to you, I remember I remember you, cause we've got so much history, baby.
I'm done packing. Everything's packed in there. My carry-on, my personal item is just this. Nothing's in there yet. That's a fanny pack. I need to know where my clear fanny pack is, y'all, because I really don't know where I put it at. I pray it's in here. But that laptop's going to go in there.
This purse is going to go in there. This purse is my personal purse. It's my black book. So this ID, driver's license, debit card, cash. What we put into here? Cash is sitting here. This is my spending money. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple bands. It ain't really nothing. It's probably going to be gone in one day normally. SD card reader for my logs that I'm going to post previously. And of course, it's in the AirPod every minute. Because I don't know what AirPod is. Let me make sure you charge too. Yeah, these are the AirPods. It's pretty much it. These are my packages. This is on charger. At $3. My iPhone XS Max, which is packed up and beat up, but I will also be using this too for the weekend. I feel like the more battery space that I have, the more of a successful weekend I will have vlogging and entertaining y'all and myself, because I can do this fun. Anyway, here's another battery pack. I'm going to bring both of these to the concert, both phones to the concert. ID and debit card to the concert, and that's pretty much it.
I'm going to Miami. I cut the camera off, but here's my wristband. Yeah, I got it on, and it ain't nowhere near time for me to go, but I do. I don't care. I hope my vlog quality not bad. Like, this is a 7. Nothing. No offense to those of you who got a 7. I'm just saying. Oh, my daddy called me. Hold on. We on our way to get her luggage. Then we're going to get Ken's body and Ken's luggage. And then we're going to get on the road and we're going to go to Dallas. Did you get Uncle Sean an address? Yeah, I got it. Okay. I didn't. But yeah. I'm the responsible one here. She about to kill us. But she gonna drive all the way to Dallas. Turn up. We finally made it to my aunt's and uncle's house. And we stopped and got some Whataburger. Ate some Whataburger. Now we're here. It's my people's home. This is just the room I'm in. So the plan is, my brace hurt my head. The plan is to crash here for basically 2 hours. It's already it's 2 something. I don't know what time it is, but it's 2 something in the morning, and we're waiting on our flight.
Best thing to do is start investing in yourself and building that way. Before you
We made it on the plane. We got window seats. It's my sister and them. Ken right here. Yeah, I never knew how big a freaking airplane was. Yeah, let's see. No, we leave at 6, so we doing good. Let's see what they got today.
can't run out of money. Everybody about to take a trip to Miami. I don't give a shit, bitch, I'm kicking it in Dallas. Get your passport, I'm about to take a bitch to Paris. Champs-Élysées, Louis Vuitton, but that's average.
Clearly moving slow because Pop's passed us, but look outside. Hello everybody, I successfully made it to Miami. I'm currently waiting on my elevator so I can go get me something to eat. I'm about to get something to eat, go to Walmart, get a couple things we couldn't bring while we were on the plane, and then I'm gonna come back and get ready for the beach. But y'all look, city looks beautiful, like for real. Cars, I love traffic, buildings, it's water over there and boats. It's a little dock over there too. And Walmart's like right across from where we're staying, so that's great. Like, who doesn't want to stay by Walmart? Only thing about my hotel that really bothers me is it's so many floors and one elevator. So I don't know how that's gonna go with so many people standing really loud, but we're like on the 8th floor. I just followed the camera. You wanna say hey? What's your name?
I don't know.
What's your name?
Ken.
No, you need a name for the weekend. She said Ken. Brittany. Who are you?
What do I look like? We still talking about like a Tasha, but I don't like the name Tasha. No offense to Tasha's out there. It just, I don't think I like
Mama! She's so rude!
Tasha.
Oh my
I
God!
was thinking, never mind.
Mama, you see this? It's rude.
I had like 5 hours of sleep.
I think this is so cute. You gonna try? That's our hotel. We walking. When you pass them, people start jumping on the rail. How you be jumping? Come on.
Can't run out of money. Everybody about to take a trip to Miami. I don't give a shit, bitch, I'm kicking it in Dallas.